Looks like if you guys are having trouble viewing the live, let me know. But it looks like a lot of the way that we are traversing the internet is going to change greatly in the next 2 to 3 years. I don't know if you guys have seen Arc. I'm using the Arc browser, but they're talking about how about instead of you asking your web browser to go find a web page, what if we build a web page for you in a way that's more intuitive to you? I'm really excited for that. I think that's what's coming in the future with some of these LLMs, is that I've seen a lot of crappy UIs on the internet that I did not like. Like, for example, I don't know if you guys have booked a ticket in a hotel, but I have found that the UIs for that can be such a pain. Like I've had to spend hours doing that. And if we have some of these agents able to break that down into a more simplistic version, maybe not more simplistic, but a more intuitive design, I would pay a lot more money for that. And so let's get back into the article, and I'm going to see if I can dim it. Do y'all see that? No, it doesn't look like I dimmed the lights a little bit, but ChatGPT can now search the web in a much better way than before. You can get fast and timely answers with links to relevant web sources, which you would have previously needed to get a search engine for. This blends the benefit of natural language interface with the value to up-to-date sports sources, news, stocks, and quotes, and more. ChatGPT will choose to search the web based on what you ask. You can manually choose to search by clicking the web search icon. Okay. So yeah, I guess that's the confusion that I was having. I was like, what is this web search icon about? Search will be available at chatgpt.com as well as on the desktop and mobile apps. All ChatGPT Plus teams and users, as well as SearchGPT waitlist users, will have access today. Enterprise EDU users will get access within the next few weeks. We'll roll out a free users over the coming months. Free users? We'll roll out all free users with the coming months. Designed to get better answers. Getting useful answers on the web can take a lot of effort. It often requires multiple searches and digging through links to find the quality sources and the right information for you. Now, chat can get you to the better answer. Ask a question in a more natural conversational way. ChatGPT can choose to respond with information from the web. Go deeper with follow-up questions, and ChatGPT will consider the full context of chat to get better answers for you. Yeah, I can't talk about how much of that is a help when I'm like using ChatGPT and they add context. Like I'm asking one question and I ask a second question, it gets more specific. I think that's one of the main benefits of ChatGPT over something like Google search is it's more conversational based, and it feels like I have my own personal assistant. Let's see, where can I go to dinner? Postino Friday night. Wow, I didn't know you could use it like that. So it's like, it's getting dinner reservations. I'm really excited, man. I can't tell you guys how excited I am for the products that are about to come out in the next 3 to 5 years, or no, in the next year with these agents and things being auto done for us. I think I spent a lot of my life making decisions that I feel like I would not like to. And so really excited. Yeah, I think I used to be an AI doomer in the sense that I was afraid that it was going to take my job or whatever, but I'm really excited to see what new problems I focus on with AI taking some of the more tedious tasks of my life away. So we also partner with news and data providers to add up to date information and new visual designs for categories like weather, stocks, sports, news, and maps. So I guess we're looking at the weather. I don't know if I'd ever ask ChatGPT about the weather though. Why, as the latest trading season, NVIDIA Corporation reflecting a 58. Yeah, I guess they're giving us market information. Stocks, sports. Asking ChatGPT about sports. That sounds really cool. News. I'm glad. I think the worst thing that AI could do is its ability to spread misinformation. And so this is huge. The ability to be able to check the sources as well as have a conversation with AI will give us a better chance of understanding or being able to fact check what these AI models are doing and make sure that there's no misuse between the corporations who are controlling the AI. And so, yeah, I guess, it has maps. It has maps? That's amazing. I don't know what I would use this for, but maybe there's an app idea in it somewhere. So ChatGPT search promises to better highlight and attribute information with trustworthy news sources, benefiting audiences while expanding the reach of publishers like ourselves with produce and premium journalism. Pam Weisterstein, president of Fox Media. Go straight to the source. Chat now includes links to sources such as news articles and blog posts, giving you a way to learn more. Click the sources and buttons below the response to open up the sidebar for references. We are convinced that AI search will be in the near future and for next generations a primary way to access information. And partnering with OpenAI positions Le Monde at the forefront of the shift. It allows us to test innovations at an early stage while safeguarding journalism core values and integrity. Great. ChatGPT Search connects people with the original, high-quality content from web and make it part of their conversation. By integrating search with the chat interface, users can engage with information in a new way. While content owners gain new opportunities to reach a broader audience, we hope to help users discover publishers and websites while bringing more choice to search. And what are they going to say? As AI reshapes the media landscape, Axel Spring ships partnerships with AI to open up tremendous opportunities for innovative advancements. Together, we're driving new business models to ensure journalism remains both trustworthy and profitable. That's great. I'm going to ask you guys in the chat, is there anything that you feel like you would still use Google for? Yeah, we collaborate extensively with the news industry and carefully listen to feedback from our global partnerships. I don't know if that's interesting to me. I'm going to skip down a little bit. How it works and what comes next. The search model is fine-tuned version of GPT-4 Omni, post-trained using novel synthetic data generation techniques, including distilling outputs from OpenAI O1 Preview. ChatGPT Search leverages third-party search providers as well as context provided directly by our partners to provide the information users are looking for. Learn more here. Thanks for feedback from SearchGPT Prototype. We brought the best of SearchGPT experience into ChatGPT. We plan to keep improving search, particularly in areas like shopping and travel, and leverage the reasoning capabilities of OpenAI O1 series to do deeper research. We also plan to bring out new research experiments to advanced voice and Canvas, as well as to free and logged out users in the future. ChatGPT Plus team users can try it out today at chatgpt.com. All right, shoot. Oh man, I thought I ended the stream. I clicked the link. Oh wow, okay. I'm trying to pull up the link. No, that's not it. I'm doing the wrong thing. All right, let's do that and copy. All right, there we are. We're on the ChatGPT search. All right, do you guys have any questions you would want me to ask? Okay, I think somebody answered them. There are still use cases for Google that AI doesn't. All right, I'm happy to listen to UK. I'm trying to think. I cannot think of one reason why. I've used this a little bit, right? I'm not sure why I would use Google at this point. I really cannot see it because when I've used Google in the past, sometimes I had to go to different pages in order to find the answer that I'm looking for, and ChatGPT is giving me the answer. Sometimes I've had to check behind ChatGPT when it hallucinates. And yeah, let me see. It looks like my internet connection is not the best that I've liked. Just gonna double check it to make sure everything is put in. I don't know what I would be looking at ChatGPT, or I don't know what I would be using Google search if I'm not looking for answers or to information. Providing ChatGPT search results are accurate with reasonable margins of error. I see it as a credible alternative for Google search. Let's dive deeper and put it through paces. Yeah, I guess maybe hold your horses. I can feel that for my guy view station. Maybe I'm just jumping the gun here. But you know what I think is even interesting? I think one day we're going to start seeing ads in ChatGPT search. I think that's the only way to really monetize this thing globally. other than, actually, we're paying $20 a month to use it. So I guess there's that. We don't have ads yet, but man, when I think about Netflix, we never saw ads in Netflix, but man, they are really fighting to like start showing us more and more ads in there. And so although ChatGPT is not showing ads today, I think people are going to start paying in order to for ChatGPT to start to recommend their businesses to people. Let's see. I remember I was like, guys, I'm a content creator, and I try to make like a thumbnail. Oh, also, like, you guys see that they have this type head system where it shows you like recent searches. I think that's extremely helpful as well. Video chat doesn't show images or videos. I think let's show you. All right, so let's try this. I'll type in something like, I am making a thumbnail about reacting to ChatGPT search. Can you help me? Let's see what it does. There it is. So yeah, you see, doesn't show images or videos. It doesn't show videos, but yeah, look at this. It's giving me, I think these would be some terrible thumbnails all by itself, but it's searching for images for me, right? It's giving me, I guess it's giving me sources, which I think is cool, right? Test different designs, avoid cutting. They give me ideas. So yeah, it is showing images, but it's not really doing anything. It's doing a lot more than what I would want. Like if I ask this question in Google right now, like it's gonna maybe find me some web pages with some ideas, but it's not going to read it and give me answers like this. Although Google is going to integrate their Gemini model and to have results like this. And yeah, I think it's probably something that I want to look up. Like, how is Google responding to, let's ask ChatGPT that. How is Google responding to ChatGPT search? And let's ask it, will it kill, I want to say traditional Google search? And let's ask, see what it has to say about it. Yeah, integrating advanced AI features, Google introduced search interface experience. Despite these advancements, traditional Google search remains robust. Recent reports indicate Google search market shares experiencing some decline due to the rise of AI chatbots like ChatGPT. Search methods, it is unlikely to replace traditionally Google search entirely. Google proactive integration with AI features is a dominant market proposition, suggests that it will continue to be a leading player in the search industry. Okay, maybe I was wrong. Maybe I'm just all into the hype, or maybe I'm just reading into what ChatGPT is saying. Does ChatGPT rely on Google itself in many cases? So I would say no. As a software engineer, actually, I've heard of Microsoft Bing stealing some of the results from Google, and Google sued Microsoft over that. I guess it's a rumor. I would have to look up the article to give you the straight facts, but making a search engine is definitely possible for a startup with the right resources. I could make a web scraper. I remember, so I told you guys I was interviewing, and I'm not going to tell you which company, but one of the companies I was interviewing with asked me to design a web crawler. I've even had teammates in my current job who have worked in the web crawling space. It's not hard to make. I don't think it's beyond the talent of the people who work at OpenAI to make a search engine. I'm pretty sure they're using something from inside. They're not using Google. That's my point. And I'll end it there. This is really a square, but open. Perplex is running a Docker container, and the best search tool you can find. I programmed a research uptake tool that does 3 layers of AI consolidation of 15 full sources. That's interesting. It sounds like I really would like to talk more about some of the things you guys are doing with AI, but yeah. So yeah, behind these search engines, somebody is crawling the web. Like if you look at the links on a page, like you store the raw HTML text, and then you you just store web pages and then crawl the sub web pages of that page. And then you do that, you probably, if you write it in C, you probably could crawl the whole internet and store it in a database if you had the resources. And then from there, I guess you could use some type of machine learning model in order to accurately crawl or store your database in a way that's quick and accurate in order to get the information you need. So YouTube is a key component of Google search. Yeah. Thanks for reading. Yeah. You think AI will be able to beat AI in his prime? I'm kind of confused with this question. But I guess I'm gonna end the video for anybody that's